Hey, what's up guys? So today's video is going to be a fun one. We're jumping in the S2000 so we can go and pick up this Chevy pickup truck because we're going to do some fun stuff to it. So I'm going to take you guys along for the ride and show you guys what we're doing to it. All right, so here's the beast. We got the stuff. We're gonna jump in this thing, head out. We got some wiring to do before tomorrow, and we'll be getting some exhaust work done, so stay tuned for that. So we're in the Chevy. She's big. This thing rides totally different too. With the suspension, it's a different feel than I'm used to for sure, but it feels good. Drive straight, just a big truck. Okay, so we got this beast somehow in the garage. I didn't know if it was gonna fit, but we got it in. And I'm just finishing up the wiring. So I just wanted to show you guys, I kind of wanted to figure it out and plan it out before I kind of showed you guys what we're doing. So we ended up putting the toggle switch right here. If you guys ever work on one of these Chevys, the kick plate, like the one that goes underneath the dash, is like Rubbermaid cooler. It is so thick. So originally I was gonna put that toggle switch on this faceplate, but it is like honestly, I don't know, half an inch to an inch thick in some places. So I didn't wanna mess with that because the switch definitely isn't that long. So for now I just put it underneath here. Hopefully you guys can see that. So that's where the switch is. So you pull it back for open, push it for close. We're gonna leave it there for now. I do wanna get the wireless remotes because I think that's a cooler way to do it, but everything's wired up. So it's on ignition power, so as long as the truck has power, you guys can see there, that's the thing. We push the switch here, pull it for open, it's gonna be opening. So you'll see here, if I pull the switch, see the valve's opening. If I close it, it closes. So that's pretty much the function. Nothing crazy, you just gotta give it power and a ground. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this plate back on and we can get out of here. All right, wiring is done. Let's get this beast out of this garage. There she is, let's go. Okay, so we're here. The truck is up there getting worked on right now, but once they kind of finish up, we'll show you guys what we got going on. Okay, so she's done. I'll get you guys some sound clips in just a minute, but we are out of here for now. This is pretty loud. Tunnel. All right, so right now we have the cutout closed and the cutout's down below. I'll show you guys that. Give it a few reps. So that's closed, and then he's gonna open it now. Okay, so under the truck, this is the work that we ended up doing. So you can see that is electric cutout. They did a really good job with the welds. Super nice looking, super clean. And there is the valve up inside. So the operation is pretty simple. You got the toggle switch here. So this is open. This is closed, and we're probably gonna put the remotes on it afterwards just to make it a little bit more accessible too, so you can have a wireless remote. But pretty clean setup. All right guys, so that is it for today's video on the build on this Silverado. So we're gonna be doing a lot more to this truck. We're probably gonna be doing an engine swap and a lot more stuff. So we were debating going a little bit deeper into the exhaust, but if we're gonna be swapping out the motor, we're not gonna wanna do it just yet. So anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up if you wanna see more content on this truck. definitely let me know in the comments below. We're going to be switching out the headlights too, doing some upgraded LEDs as well. So lots of stuff on the way. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that join button too if you guys want to join Team Boosted Motorsports. Lots of perks, but we'll see you on the next video.